Ever wonder why some cars need premium fuel? It's not just about making them sound fancy, there's actual science at play. Higher octane fuel allows your engine to ignite the mixture at a higher spark timing. This means more power potential seriously. Here's the catch. Pushing that spark too far leads to knock. Think of it like metal hitting metal, creating a nasty vibration. Knock, or pre-ignition, reduces efficiency. That extra power you gained disappears as wasted energy. It's like giving a horse a huge amount of sugar, a temporary burst followed by a crash. Your engine's knock sensor detects this abnormal combustion and pulls timing back to protect itself. Smart, right? Using the wrong fuel can damage your engine over time, so always consult your vehicle's specifications. Understanding octane is key to maximizing your engine's performance safely. Keep your engine happy and healthy.